Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make keto oatmeal. This delightful dish is a fantastic low-carb, grain-free alternative to your usual breakfast oats. It's perfect for anyone following a ketogenic lifestyle, offering a warm, comforting, and satisfying start to your day without the high carbohydrate count. We'll cover everything you need to know to whip up a delicious bowl in just a few minutes, focusing on simple, accessible ingredients. To create your keto oatmeal, you'll need a few key ingredients. The base typically consists of hemp hearts, shredded coconut, or ground flaxseed, providing fiber and healthy fats. For sweetness, opt for keto-friendly options like erythritol, stevia, or monk fruit extract. Unsweetened almond milk or full-fat coconut milk will give it that creamy texture. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Preparing your keto oatmeal is incredibly simple. First, combine your dry ingredients, like 1/2 cup of hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and a pinch of salt, in a small saucepan or microwave-safe bowl. Next, stir in about 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. Cook on the stovetop over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, or microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. Now for the fun part, customizing your keto oatmeal. Feel free to add flavorings like 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Top your warm bowl with fresh berries, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, chia seeds, or a generous dollop of almond butter. For an extra protein boost, stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Enjoy your personalized, delicious, and healthy breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.